Welcome back to TechnoSurgeon YouTube channel. So if we are using an Intel processor, we have bad news because a vulnerability has been found on Intel processors, which like it's come pretty bad because it exposes the internal registers to like the memory optimization feature in Intel CPUs, like internal hardware register to software, and it also occurs during shutdown and stuff. So yeah, basically it's bad and it can leak the data, and it happens all the way back to Comet Lake. So yeah, it happened all the way back. So from 5th gen, and it not just occurred to the server CPUs but also consumer gaming CPUs, and there is a massive hit. But there is a microcode update for those who want security, but you get a massive performance hit up to 50% overhead, which is a bad to say. And according to the testings done, there is almost like not 50%, but you can say from 10 to 50% performance decrease. So if you want more performance, then you are exposing your stuff, and if you have a mitigation happen, then you are losing most of the performance. And it's not on AVX2 or AV512, but each and every optimization technique. So yeah, basically you are going to lose performance in AVX instruction set are limited to AI and HPC workload side. You are also going to get performance decrease in video encoding and transcoding, which is a bad things to say, but the microcode update is available. So if you want, you can have it, and then you will get a performance degrade. But yeah, what can we say? Next up, we have an engineering sample of AMD's hybrid code design. As you can see, Zen 5 Strix APU has been spotted on performancedatabase.com, and it has codename Strix, and it's an engineering sample. It's Strix points, we know about it, and it has a base clock of 8 gigahertz, which is not true, but it's an early engineering sample, so the software might not be able to recognize it. It happens all the time. And it has performance core, 4 performance core and 8 efficiency core. And do note here it has the performance core is based on Zen 5, while efficiency core is based on Zen 5C. And efficiency cores also have hybrid threading enabled. So yeah, it's different from the Intel's approach, where efficiency core does not have hyper threading or multi-threading, but here you have multi-threading in efficiency core also. So total it's 12 cores and 24 threads basically. But yeah, and it comes with whopping 16 CUs of RDNA 3.5, so it's a pretty massive APU also. Let's see how things turns out. It's just like it's true, but we didn't got the performance benchmark as of now, so we have to still wait for it. Next up, we knew like during RX 7900 XTX launch last year, they tweeted out like FSR 3.0 is coming, and we know FSR 3.0 was going to be based on frame generation, which we knew after some time later, and it's said to be more time 2 times more FPS compared to FSR 2 because of the frame generation technique. And now we have some news regarding it. According to Moore's law is dead. AMD just notified OEMs to expect FSR 3 briefing this week, and it's supposedly going to be ready by Q4 and most likely in September, because their goal is to have it out for Navi 32 reviews. So yeah, it's nice to see, and we are going to get a massive upgrade in performance for free with FSR 3.0. Let's see what GPUs are supported. 7000 series will be obviously supported, but how far back it will be supported, like RX 580 will be supported Polaris or not, is the thing to see, because AMD is good with providing software supports to older generations of GPUs. But let's see, regarding the last update they were also going to drop the support for stuff, so let's just see how things turns out. But lastly for today, the AMD had we know like AMD had an exclusive partnership with Starfield, and now we know more details about it, not with the game bundle, but they are exclusively making a GPU, basically RX 7900 XTX limited edition Starfield, and there is a new packaging for Ryzen 7 7800X 3D, which is nice to see. But the graphics card looks pretty nice with that white aesthetic and stuff, and it will be only for limited people. Like it will be a draw event and stuff, and then you can win it. And they had only made 500 of those, but if you want one of that, just go and participate in the event, and then you might be able to get it. But this GPU looks pretty nice. and we already know like there was exclusive partnership by Nvidia also for some games like Cyberpunk. But this Starfield exclusive PC partner 7900 XTX looks pretty insane, and it looks good. But yeah, it's a GPU. I don't care about that aesthetic, but it looks nice. But yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about all of the news? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.